Aloha and welcome to Beachwalks with Rox. You can find us at beachwalks.tv, and holy moly, today is show number 100. I want to update everybody on our promo contest. The period for submitting entries has officially closed, and I've raised over $750 worth of prizes, and we're going to open the voting, and the voting will be open for 7 days, for the next 7 days, to give everybody a chance to get to the site, look at the different entries or read the different entries and cast your vote. And then we will have, in 1 week, we'll have a special show to announce the prize winners and also to feature the sponsors who have agreed to contribute fantastic prizes for our promo contest. For today's show, I'm going to interview Lexi so that you get to find out a little bit more about her. So let me go ahead and get started with that. So tell me, what's your favorite word?
Go.
What's your least favorite word?
No.
And what turns you on?
Getting my okole scratched.
What turns you off?
When the suitcases come out of the closet.
I think I know the answer to this one, but what sound or noise do you really love to hear?
Velcro. That means Dad's putting on his bathing suit.
And what sound or noise do you not love?
Vacuum.
Do you have a favorite curse word? What profession would you like to attempt?
Lifeguard.
What profession would you not like to attempt?
Motherhood.
And if heaven exists, Miss Lexi, what would you like to hear God say when you arrive at the pearly gates?
Do you want to go to the beach?
So thanks for joining us today on our 100th show. If you'd like to Skype the conch, you can do so at Roxanne Darling. If you'd like to call Lexi or me on the conch shell, you can dial 949-544-1456. Aloha. Say bye. Say bye.
Okay, we're gonna do that again, okay? You did such a good job last time. You wanna come back up in the chair? Lexi, come on. Come on, honey. Come on, sweetheart. There you go. Good girl. Good job. Good job. Okay, stay.
Stay.
Stay. Stay there.